been invited here by the Cornell Sadhguru group for doing a workshop on genetic modifications and the outcomes. Now this whole issue of recombinant DNA technology has come up many years ago, and India is among the foremost countries which developed guidelines for research and for safety. Now the advantage of this genetic manipulation is we can develop food crops and nutritionally enhanced crops in a very relatively short period by using this technology, by simply introducing the beneficial genes into the existing food crops and make them better both environmentally as also nutritionally. And since we are going to transfer a gene from one source to the other, there is always a concern whether this gene can produce any harm or it can produce any unintended effect in the recipient plant. So there is a whole lot of biosafety tests are being done, both for individual consumer safety as well as for the environmental safety, and these are part of the governmental guidelines, which are also synchronized with the international guidelines as well. Now these tests are being done systematically, and then only when every safety is established, the crop can be permitted for field trials. See, at the moment the government has not permitted any field trials, and therefore most of these are in the research stage. We have got insect resistant crops, and we have got vitamin A, precursor enhanced rice. We have got different kind of oil seed crops which different levels of kinds of fatty acids, and all these are meant as advantage. We can also develop drought resistant crops, we can get salinity tolerant crops and so on. So the technology is very, very promising, except that the safety issues are still a concern, even though science shows that clearly that there's absolutely no evidence to show this can cause any kind of harm. If you look at the countries in the Western world, there are millions of people who have been consuming products of recombinant technology for last almost 10 to 15 years, and there's no documented scientific evidence of it causing any kind of harm. So this the technological discussion will take place in this particular meeting, and the outcomes will be, of course, will help a lot of participants to improve their knowledge on this. And we also wish to communicate to the public that we need modern technology for the future of mankind, and we need these kind of new crops, and the safety issues will be taken care of by using appropriate scientific testing methods.